Hi, morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This morning I'm gonna make kidney for breakfast. Already seasoned from overnight. Plantain, banana, sweet potato, and my dumpling. What else am I missing now? No yam. I didn't get any yam because of course, you know, it's the coronavirus, it's going around, so a lot of stuff I didn't get at the shop. So I hope you enjoy this breakfast video. There you go. In. So guys, remember, I'm just a beginner in the YouTube vlogging, so I'm asking for you guys to like, share, and subscribe. I've just started. I'm just doing the videos with my phone so far, and once my channel grows and I see it growing, I'll go out and get the necessary stuff. Everyone that has their big YouTube channel, they started at this point. Thank you all for liking, sharing, and subscribing. Just letting it simmer and get the color. I'm gonna put on some water. Yes guys, this is my food pot. So I'm gonna do all the necessary peeling and stuff. Banana, so forth. The flour is ready. Just waiting for the water to boil up to start adding my food. It's getting there, peeps. It's getting there. Getting the color from steaming out. Water isn't boiling just yet. Back again. Added the dumpling, and guys, I boil my banana with the skin on because these are not like your ordinary Jamaican banana. If you boil them without the skin, you barely can take them out the pot. They'll just crumble. So when you boil them in the skin like old time Jamaican folk used to cook, you just peel off the skin when you're shearing, and they're firm. I've tried boiling them different ways without the skin, and they keep on breaking up. So they're not the ordinary. I don't know which country they're from, but they're soft, very soft. So I'm gonna add the other stuff. So I make sure I wash the banana skin and all of that. So okay, there you go, peeps. Plantain also, boiling the skin and take it out before, as soon as it's boiled, it's softened, I'll take it out. So there you go guys, just the breakfast process. I'll just let this cook. Now I took out the plantain because I don't want it to overcook, because it will overcook. It's not like the banana which will hold it. It just stopped recording. So this is the kidney. It's almost ready. Very tender, just taste a little piece. And then my food pot almost ready again, so breakfast is soon to be served. Thanks again for watching. I know some people might find it as not much, but we all start somewhere. The builder started somewhere, and he was able to build many houses, many roads, many bridges from starting somewhere. Alright peeps, Just do the final taste test and it's ready to turn off. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Kidney and boiled food for breakfast. This is just about ready now. The bananas open up. Different fork. Okay. Those are good. So we're good. Breakfast is ready. Food pot off. So I'm hopefully now gonna share and let you see the dish, the finishing dish. There you go, peeps. Breakfast. Kidney, banana dumpling, sweet potato, and plantain, ripe plantain. Couldn't get any yam because you know the situation, so a lot of stuff couldn't be delivered. So once again, thank you guys for watching, and please like, subscribe, and share. Have a blessed day.